It's a 2009 Acura TSX. Driven by those who know that the best way to get from point A to point B isn't always a straight line. And it comes with all the amenities you need: external memory control, front heated leather bucket seats, wireless phone connectivity, express open and closed sliding and tilting sunroof, inline 4-cylinder engine, gas pressurized shocks, auxiliary audio input, dual zone climate control, front wheel drive, auto dimming rear view mirror, and power heated mirrors. Edmunds.com highlights its strong performance, confident handling, comfortable seating, and chock full of the latest high-tech features. Acura has a legacy of innovation, a legacy that continues here. See what it can do for you when you take it for a test drive.
Come visit us at Ardmore Toyota today, where we believe in continuous improvement and respect for people and their time. We look forward to seeing you in Ardmore, where we light up Lancaster Avenue.